Copililis review: is this clothing store legit? If you've come across Copililis ad and are wondering whether it's a legitimate online clothing store or something to be cautious about, this review will walk you through what the site appears to offer, important trust factors to check, and whether it seems safe to shop from before entering any personal or payment information. Copililis positions itself as an e-commerce fashion retailer, selling clothing and apparel, often featuring a range of styles, seasonal pieces, and trend-focused items. Attractive product photos, clear categories, and promotional banners can make the store look inviting, but a polished design alone doesn't guarantee that a store is trustworthy or reliable. When you first browse Copililis, you'll typically see organized clothing categories, product images, and size options. Easy navigation and clear product listings can make it simple to find and select items you're interested in, but good presentation isn't sufficient evidence of legitimacy. One of the first things to check with any online fashion store is transparency. Legitimate e-commerce sites provide clear business contact information, such as an email or phone number that actually works, and ideally a physical business address, along with detailed terms of service and privacy policies explaining how your information is used. If this information is missing, vague, or looks generic, that's a reason to be cautious. Payment security is another major factor. Trusted online stores use secure payment gateways and show SSL encryption, a padlock icon in the browser's address bar, to help protect your financial information during checkout. If payment methods are limited, unusual, or lack clear security indicators, that raises concerns about safety. Customer reviews and feedback also offer useful insight. Authentic reviews tend to mention details like delivery times, product quality, fit accuracy, and customer service experiences. Generic or overly positive testimonials with little real detail make it harder to determine whether the store delivers as promised. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Copililis may give a good first impression with a clean layout and organized product categories that make browsing for clothing feel easy. Visible size options and clear product images help you quickly see what's available. On the downside, the cons focus on trust and verification. Limited or missing business transparency, such as unclear contact details or no physical address, makes it harder to confirm who operates the store. Few verifiable customer reviews and unclear or absent shipping and return policies are warning signs worth noting. When customer support isn't easy to find or responsive, resolving issues after a purchase can become difficult. In summary, while Copililis may look like a functioning online clothing store at first glance, the lack of transparent business details and limited reliable feedback suggest you should proceed with caution. If you choose to shop there, protect yourself by using secure payment methods and seeking additional reviews or information to confirm the store's legitimacy before submitting sensitive details.